One real element genuinely can have multiple backgrounds layered together, separated. In this video you'll layer real multiple backgrounds. This real, separated list genuinely layers a semi-transparent gradient over an actual image, a common real darkening overlay technique. Each real, separated value here genuinely corresponds to one layer, both genuinely set to cover in this actual case. The real first layer listed genuinely renders on top. Order actually matters, unlike most other CSS list properties. Multiple real backgrounds genuinely are separated in one declaration. The real first listed layer genuinely renders on top. A common real use case is a gradient overlay atop a background image. Layer a real darkening gradient overlay on top of a background image. Ready to load real custom web fonts with that font face?